Hello, let's install your Gerber two-piece toilet. Before you get started, there are a few important steps. The water supply should be turned off and your old toilet removed. Ensure the toilet fits your space by double-checking the rough-in measurement and the bowl length and height. Next, gather your supplies. You'll need a supply line and a Phillips head screwdriver. If you're replacing an old toilet, you may be able to use the existing supply line. You may also find these supplies handy. Now, we recommend taking all of the included components and parts out of the box to ensure everything is ready and within reach. Then check your ReadySet bowl installation kit for these pieces. Ensure any old wax or debris is clear from the floor and flange. Inspect the flange to ensure it is fully intact. To start the installation, slide the guides into place using the slots on the flange. The installation guides are designed to use light tension to hold their position, so a gentle downward pressure may be needed to insert and slide them in. The guides should be aligned so that an imaginary line between them is parallel to the back wall. Place your wax ring on the flange. Carefully lower the toilet bowl onto the flange over the installation guides. Using your body weight, press down on the bowl until it rests on the floor. The wax ring should be completely depressed and the bowl should not rock. Remove the blue installation guides by simply pulling up. Screw your standard star bolts into the mounting holes, but do not fully tighten. Now it is time to install the tank. Place the rubber channel pads on the back lip of the bowl where the tank makes contact with the bowl. Ensure the washers are installed on the bolts. Insert the bolts into the tank's holes. Secure the tank bolts by screwing on the wing nuts. All wing nuts should be secured by hand only. Attach the tank-to-bowl gasket to the bottom of the tank. Then lower the tank onto the bowl so that the tank bolts are inside the bolt holes. Using the other pair of wing nuts, secure the tank to the bowl. Attach the supply line to the tank. If not already secured, attach the supply line to the water supply. Be sure to leave a little slack and check for any kinks. With the tank securely installed, use your hand to tighten the floor bolts until the toilet is fastened firmly to the floor. Be careful not to over-tighten. Place your flat caps over the star bolts. Lower the tank cover onto the tank. Lastly, install the seat. Please see your installation manual or check out a few installation videos in the description of this video for specific how-to instructions for the seat that came with your toilet. Finally, turn on the water supply. Flush the toilet and check for leaks at all connection points. If you have any questions while installing your toilet, Gerber's dedicated customer care team is ready to help. Please visit gerber-us.com/support to view contact information and hours of service. Your tried and true Gerber two-piece toilet is ready to use. Thanks for going with Gerber.